Have you ever dreamed of traveling to uncharted destinations? While exotic places like the wild tribes of Africa or the icy expanses of Antarctica might captivate the imagination, let's set our sights even further. Picture a journey to worlds where no human has yet ventured, the planets of our solar system. Although space tourism might become a reality in the coming decades, for now, let's take a vivid mental voyage through these fascinating realms. Understanding planetary distances. Astronomers measure the distances between planets using a unit called the astronomical unit, which is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun. Venus, at 0.72 astronomical units from the Sun, is often thought to be Earth's closest neighbor. However, this measurement is based on orbital distance and planets constantly move. When Earth and Venus are on opposite sides of the Sun, their distance increases dramatically. Intriguingly, scientists have calculated that Mercury, not Venus, is the planet that spends the most time closest to Earth on average. Mercury, the speedy neighbor. Our journey begins with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. Mercury is about a third the size of Earth. If Earth were a baseball, Mercury would be a golf ball. Known for its speed, Mercury completes an orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury harbors ice in craters at its poles. Scientists theorize that water vapor released from surface materials freezes in these shadowed craters, protected from the Sun's heat. Venus, the hottest hellscape. Next, we visit Venus, the second planet from the Sun, located about 108 million kilometers away. Venus spins very slowly. A single day lasts 243 Earth days. Its dense atmosphere moves much faster than the planet itself, driven by intense convection flows. Beneath its thick clouds lies a scorching landscape with surface temperatures of 470 degrees Celsius. Once imagined as an oceanic paradise, Venus's atmosphere is now known to be 96% carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid and a history of volcanic activity. Scientists believe a runaway greenhouse effect turned Venus from potentially habitable to inhospitable around 750 million years ago. Mars, the red frontier. Moving outward, Mars lies 228 million kilometers, or 142 million miles from the Sun. Nearly half the size of Earth, Mars hosts a day lasting 24 hours and 39 minutes. Its contrasting terrain, icy poles, volcanic mountains like Olympus Mons, and ancient riverbeds, tell stories of a watery past. In 2003, scientists discovered a frozen sea beneath its surface, confirming Mars once had liquid water. While hopes of finding a Martian civilization have faded, the search for microbial life continues. Jupiter, the giant king. Further out at 779 million kilometers or 484 million miles lies Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. With a mass 2.4 times greater than all the other planets combined, Jupiter lacks a solid surface, making it a spectacle of swirling gases and storms. Its iconic Great Red Spot is a massive storm that could engulf Earth. Jupiter's 79 moons, diverse atmospheric bands, and unique dynamics continue to captivate astronomers. Saturn, the ringed wonder. Saturn, orbiting 1.4 billion kilometers or 891 million miles from the Sun, is best known for its stunning rings. These icy structures stretch 250,000 kilometers or 155,000 miles in diameter, but are only about 1 kilometer thick. While Saturn's atmosphere experiences powerful storms, scientists predict its rings will vanish in less than 100 million years, a fleeting spectacle by cosmic standards. Uranus, the tilting ice giant. At almost 3 billion kilometers from the Sun, Uranus is a cold blue-green giant. Its atmosphere contains methane, giving it that distinctive color. A day on Uranus lasts 17 hours, while a year stretches over 84 Earth years. Unique among planets, Uranus rotates on its side, likely due to a massive collision in its past. Neptune, the windy sapphire. Finally, Neptune lies 4.55 billion kilometers or 2.8 billion miles from the Sun. Famous for its supersonic winds reaching 2,100 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour, Neptune also experiences diamond rain, where intense pressure transforms carbon into falling diamonds. Its distant beauty marks the edge of our planetary tour. Beyond Neptune, the dwarf planet Pluto. Once considered the ninth planet, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Though it no longer holds planetary status, its icy surface and fascinating features keep it a subject of scientific curiosity, challenges and dreams of space travel. While the conditions on these planets are hostile, Venus's heat melts landers in under 2 hours, and Jupiter lacks a surface altogether, human ingenuity may one day make space tourism possible. For now, the wonders of the solar system remain a tantalizing frontier, sparking imagination and inspiring exploration. If you enjoyed this journey, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more cosmic adventures.